In the Ghana Police Service, I confirm nipa for a match or more MPP4. Fancy comedy and the brain more dinty I chino say more air live or TikTok threatening air cause and Fini President John Dramani Mahama. Only about why a friend Yaira Trese or no, I know no na casa and seven no.
When I'm a crowd and uncle in a may penny, I made the frequency a penny. One no, and I may expect the same call.
Nasa playing Crăsh ni baby kiss was a Mahama yibe kuno. Me akosi adolo of na America.
Sanso na chimkwana na oyedwuma ema Wontumi FM, Wontumi TV. Eno ehum bi se Saturday program oye no blame President John Dramani Mahama se helicopter crasher e crash ye no. Omo nipa afri mu no omo blame John Dramani Mahama anazo omo musa.
Se wo this year ka o ma wu ni ho a. Mo hold man Penny Mahama responsible. He's aware of everything.
Wontumi radio manager e de achew pa bae. Nti wonu so Ghana Police Service ache no na se de esi chi no ye beji nchiremu. Na ba ko ka ho se Obama pokuase ni din sa ana ode ewo Facebook ene otuma ne NDC pa ye na ni dianga sa Ghana Police for e de bae Daniel Adomako na ono nso so e post videos a enkofo bi etututu. No post two video 5th August around 4 p.m. And Ocho said, tags from Zuzugu to Nanton today. Yohonu is an unmitigated disaster of an IGP. And also post two for and Ocho said, MG3 in the hands of civilian under Yohonu. Ghana Police statement omodi ba ya say Obama pokuasi wa post to nipa omukura etu weapons omo brandishing guns anunti omra na omo nyenhwehwemu no mo mbiebie mu hu nipa kura omo ade sa atu ima omo ani ade na before say enye se Obama pokuasi ene post sa video no na obi a ye frɛ no Basiru Bejejugu ono ene post ye opostu na around 2 p.m. eno ena se Obama ikofa ye post ye tro sa ne nsɛm no IGP ni na panfo penkofo ache omo a omo nche sa Basiru yi na Basiru post this video no tro say when we published they were sharing military uniform we were insulted. This is how Cheko Na Wata and his boys were organized to go to Nanton. These sophisticated weapons were displayed on the day he was made Cheko Na, and secondly on Saturday in preparation for a showdown in Nanton using the party boys in military uniform. The regional police commander, the regional minister, the regional security coordinator, and the army commander for the Northern Command should tell Ghanaians which unit of his outfit does this gang belongs to. Their faces showing as they carried these guns, yet nothing is going to happen to them. Yet if these boys carrying these guns had been overpowered and killed by those they intended to attack, their relatives and backers would have come pretending they were innocent victims. If this is the kind of backbone you want to create for us, then we are doomed. The youth in Yendi can organize 100 times of what you are doing, but in the end, the life of our overlord and his family will be put in danger, and the destruction of Dagbon is imminent. We owe it a duty to alert the authorities with concrete evidence, as we have done. If they choose to sleep over this, posterity shall judge each of us according to our deeds. Enti ano na Basiru post ya oche se emrantie no ekura tuo into authorities no enye ho adwuma. Eno na IGP ene Ghana Police Service edi kan ache se Obama se omo bebiebiem enti omo brofo omo kan omo se Obama no his arrest is part of ongoing intelligence led operation by the police and other security agencies aimed at dismantling networks involving the illegal possession and display of sophisticated weapons. He is assisting investigation into some images and videos he circulated on social media depicting individuals openly brandishing these illegal acquired sophisticated weapons. Anunti na omachi se Obama na utie miracle abuaje a oche se omubowura ne fie se ne pono eno na etwagu no na entwaye kwa denti na omu invite no na omutimi abowura ne fie akosese ne pono sa achimkwana na ye Wontumi radio said the nsem a okaye ono so Rambo style a de koche no yentie nsem a ye
achimkwa na Kofi Asare na de tie ne se eye no kre se enra be premtobre mu honum na no se babe after so announced yes suspended operations no meaning say it was calculated because if you know by that time no ye nyina adwumayefo ne management nyina adwene was say how are we going to get the radio station back to operation and I say be restore enti adwene nyina so ntia wi be 2-3 mu hono na owo adwoso na yesem rante be enuma sensia ebi kutatuo na omo ekoto share no so na womu a omu wo hono mu a asem ne si no omanim no anase omo ne achemkwa di agro omo ne etie no eche se efri kwasiada no eba no na wo ho a no wahia obi a onye familiar munim no ewo mpotem ho nye omo ne nete omunim nanim ho na wabusa se abrante na efe no Kofi Asare na oye adwuma ewo Wontumi TV no munim no otehen munim ne fie saa ne ade ene omo susu nim se na se de ekokoso okrom hanti no de onim ne fie kura na ose da bi onka to the extent that omo se emza Monday no kura de no mo de picture ena enenam ewo area ho ebusa se achimkwa no onie boy wona ye adwuma Wontumi TV no yenini wonkomo bi di ye hwehwe no ne ade a na omunka ntinra awianim ho no ena ote adwoso roundabout no area ho no baby ne boys no ebi edi nkomo and then prekope ohun se nipa na pie no so a ba kwe a point se onie so also a sense danger tina oye say no what is it no na opeso open no mo ben no to dan ho say otumrika and then they started say omo ma warning shot tutututu sa enti em say otumrika no eno tetoye and then otetoye ne de po pepe bobo no sa na omo echi no a so mo de pick up white enam omo gini kowura mu as we speak yenim ba bia Kofi Asare ewo enra ya call lodge official complaint ewo Ejuso police station. Initially we thought say abia say ye police fo a omudene beba bia regional headquarters say ye national security fo na say bia form the the regional headquarters ye ko ho ba bia na oni ho ye call lodge complaint ye call ye regional command no eno mo say ye nko Ejuso because incident ni esi honom ye ko Ejuso late hour and a free police station when no around 10 thereof ye buy baby you say you could be baby you say febia no ya fa me Kofi akwakoda so cry was around 2 a.m. ya yedi be at a point in time wo frɛ ne phone sa emu a ekwa obi amfa emu a obefrɛ na adum emu a obefrɛ bi na kwa emu a obefrɛ na adum enti yenim baby omo edena fa na wo wa na obi afrew nza asem sise ya obi a ma nipa hwehwea asem ne ade de yetete no ye bompaye na momoma ye nua no se de yetete no enye sa because minim de ntia obi be pese obegene nkwa afri ni nsem anase ebia obegene bone but the stories anase what we are hearing the enkofo frefre kano enye pleasant obia enka se emra edi obia ma the recognized state institutions no enye omadwuma but se ohia no mpo a oye adwuma enye adwuma no oye mpo a owa abusua you should formally invite him. Me nanu ada me te se hwehwe me no me a me de me hokoi me ko muso match me fine adwuma na ye oti ase there are the other side of the profession where they will be exercise back home, you be ebefem. Intino senamu hiana. Why can't you write officially to us? Na se enye wudie bi anase bone na mopese mudinwa. Why can't you write officially to nipa ono mu ye adwuma na mu free say na adwuma ye mu no na waye bibi ana waka bibi a moni nye hu anase mu free say etiamra. Ye te hey, there have been several times obi na no aka asem bi a ye ne aba abeka se da bi ade we de entwa. There have been several times ebi betima ye ne ayemupi kwampo na aka bibia wa wo beba back abeka se da bi ade we de mekan na man kan ye ebi depend on the circumstances the tempo of be a program awoye no and ma wo de cars bi wa betwe asan and also be pa ho chew. Notwithstanding say indeed movie say waye bibi na mo beton sa afre na enka mom officially kwampo mo ton sa afre na wa ma mo timi achem kwano gane body ne yesay na mrante be nsia asensu krokratuo eme ma warning shot for what reason? What is Ghana turning into? Na in fact enra course ni bia na ebam so me tia na me yam hihye. I am only praying and I no pay more free yin yanom sentwerefo ni ade. We can't say anything because yenim baby owo. Yenim baby owo. Ye baby I say ye place call find out whether a ho eno mu free ebe yes ade bia no obia no e say omunim ho hwe. Enti as we speak meme kwabena sedu and the management of Wontumi TV yenim baby a ye nua no owo ena eja busua ye hye ne ma na nkwala no unu mu kasa de homo ye ne ade. Enti no it is a very 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 difficult situation. All we can seek from you and say momom pai ma yenua no na ebia de ye tete se bia obi pese o de ye na na se bia tebia bia de ne befam no ankoye sa na ye betene nka probably bia enne ye betumi atene nka gbenu se bia o waha anase o waha se mra na we say enini dia then we the Lord take its course. But say I say ya to aba ma ye nya tumi enti ye be kiremu where power lies ye be kiremu say ampa ye ni kura tumi no sa ne manema no ye tete kwa asem etwam but ye mu ye no de bia me de meka me say oya MPP ni a ano pay de meka jo no say e ma waba mumu ena emma bibia so emo hu. Prepare yourself that the next 3 years 4 months na akano you will be able to survive it. Prepare yourself, pray, do whatever it takes so that you will be able to survive it. Na edinfie na you, edinfie nwatwe you, enfie du mienu, enfie du nsia o, enfie aduonu o, edi say ya said the MPP eba power na omufnya akonya besomye na yekoto abana Ghana for ka say ye ne na tumi maamo monko ema NDC for mra no NDC so beko ama MPP aba na de ekosunu mo bia ma ne ranfi obia should take stock account an accurate account of what is happening. Keep every single thing that is happening now in memory. Na da you know ye beka aka ye ho as to what the obi 2 minutes sa obi ba ye de meme kwabena so minim ena nyame na mekire obi say e kire bi 2 minutes sa ye say anase menye say me na nkasa what I am going through say kire 2 minutes sa what I am going through will tell me what to do. Yeah. And what not to do. Womu a ufri say na no me ayonko no me nuanom no ma waye omu papa na ene ufri say 2 minutes asesa enti onimu no fair enough enya hwe obi ama ne ha no me say eyede ya nobody, no man or woman born of a woman can bring the MPP party down. Party ni emu ebejan na so na eyede ya the party will come back to power. Na eni akiri kra me mpaibo ene de me hopi ene say wo mu a omudi tumi ayenyaye edi ye ne ayen kasa nkofo bone ema nipa bufu yo mankoto aba no enei ombesua bibi afri de ekoso emu na echatumi ni babie wu a yansa mfa ni ye ho bone na etimi absomuye aboho ban because adwuma na nado danko akufu ad ne Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ye no ne ni say ya to about 2024 MPP lusu odi adwuma government ne ya to nchen a campaign His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ye odi to campaign His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ya ne ni say MPP for elusu and someone Dr. Bawumia kan yesi manakwanya ekwan a obefo so abuman no enema akese na niso de wunu ni timu pa wo de bebu oman no ene de na John Dramani Mahama eka no na ni se Ghana fo etie NDC fo de eja MPP fo de nanso so no yenia yesu ene ye ban de di tumi ayetietia ye ho adidija pese minkuminya sem bonefosem gani ahantan ene ma Ghana fo bufu ye ene mkoto abeti aye. And I want to believe say this time enkoye say 2008 ye benya to me 2016 ya mfa nsua de na repeating same mistakes ema Ghana for sa punish ye bi no. I want to believe say this time ye nsua de na we will prove to the Ghanaian electorate enough say ye nsua de. And when they give us the mandate, the opportunity again, we will not repeat what we did yesteryears.
Abusuya adwumapa on demand service for na eka say adwumapa on demand for say o pese wo di dwuma bia nkankan Ghana for am obrochire a obehia nipa didi so ya tilers anasa building constructors fashion designers chese auto mechanic bia wo pese wo di say dwuma bia ma no obekọ ye app no so na wa download adwumapa on demand service ayansa so obekọ www.adwumapa-on-demand-service eno so obekọ ko hu adwumadi edi nyina ni trimopo nyina no se ye boawo ema okokofo obi ana wudi dwuma bia nipa okokofa no esansa wonim na kira kwan bia nti no to bi kura nipa na gisika wie open here na hu no adwumapa on demand for aba ama sa ha nyina afiri ho esansa obi bia ya de be ma so woni dwuma bia ma no ya ye background checks ehun se nipa yi onim ne wo ye enye kwanche trefa ni bia wonim de wo ye ene ye fa no edna ma wo na nigisem ba ko omu ne se onipa bia de be ma wo a odi be di dwuma bia no sabe background no sem anase si ebu afaso pade a enya de besi na wanso san nim se sabe ko soja mumpo a ye wo military police ono so soja ni oti soja ni eno me kiremu se eye adwumapa on demand for no ye sanso supervisors a abre nyina no omko rounds eko check se adwuma na nipa no de beda ye no sa pepepe ene ye no na se adwumapa on demand de omama adwuma no aye simple se bibi ni ena onti ase ampacho no wafa numbers no ayegusuo no no wafre